Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where today I've got something so monumental, so game-changing that it could rewrite the financial story for millions of Americans. No fluff, no filler, this is the real deal. We're talking about a groundbreaking economic victory just pushed through by none other than Senator Bernie Sanders, a name synonymous with fighting for the working class and demanding fairness in a system that often leaves too many behind. And what's just been passed isn't some vague proposal or slow-moving policy. It's a direct, powerful answer to what countless Americans have been crying out for: real financial relief that shows up where it counts, right in your pocket. We're talking about a massive $3,000 stimulus payment for middle and low-income households, plus a jaw-dropping permanent $200 per month increase to Social Security benefits. Yes, permanent, not a temporary patch, not a political stunt. A full-on commitment to uplifting people living on the margins, people counting on every dollar, seniors, disabled Americans, working families doing their best just to survive paycheck to paycheck. This isn't just a policy update, it's a lifeline tossed into the storm. So if you've ever felt like Washington doesn't listen, doesn't care, or doesn't act fast enough, this moment, this bill might just change your mind. Let's dive into what this actually means, because trust me, the details are just as powerful as the headline. For starters, let's talk about the $3,000 stimulus payment. This isn't some scattershot approach that ends up padding the accounts of people who don't need it. No, this is laser-focused help for individuals making $75,000 a year or less, and married couples filing jointly who earn up to $150,000. That means the families and workers who are most at risk from the rising cost of living will get the help first. The bill also puts special emphasis on seniors, families with kids, and disabled individuals, people who are often hit hardest by inflation and economic instability. And if you fall into any of those groups, you could be among the first to receive your payment. How fast? Mid-July 2025 is the target for the first round of direct deposits. If the IRS already has your banking info on file from your 2023 or 2024 tax returns, you're in line to get your money quickly. If not, no worries, you'll still get your payment through a mailed check or prepaid debit card. The Treasury Department aims to complete distribution by the end of September 2025, meaning real help is weeks, not years away. But the real seismic shift comes from what this bill does for Social Security recipients. For too long, people on fixed incomes have had to rely on modest annual cost of living adjustments, COLAs, that barely keep up with inflation, let alone improve quality of life. This bill changes that with a permanent, locked-in $200 monthly increase to Social Security benefits. Starting October 2025, seniors, disabled workers, and survivors receiving Social Security will see a real, tangible boost in their monthly checks. $200 more every single month, guaranteed. That's $2,400 more each year. It's not just a number, it's groceries, it's medication, it's rent, it's heat in the winter, and AC in the summer. It's dignity. For many, it's the difference between constant stress and a little breathing room. And here's the kicker. This boost is in addition to any future COLAs. That means if inflation rises and COLAs go up, that's on top of the $200. This isn't an either-or situation, it's both. The bill is expected to impact 65 million Americans currently receiving Social Security benefits, injecting stability and predictability into lives that have faced too much uncertainty for far too long. So what does this really mean for the country? Supporters say this plan is exactly what we need right now. When you put money into the hands of people who are going to spend it, not stash it in a savings account or invest it offshore, you're stimulating the economy in the most direct way possible. Local businesses benefit, families catch up on bills, and people can finally afford the basics without falling behind. We're talking about rent payments that won't bounce, prescriptions that won't be skipped, car repairs that don't have to wait, and groceries that actually fill the fridge. This money will move, and when it moves, it fuels economic growth from the ground up. That's not just good policy, it's smart economics. Of course, not everyone is celebrating. Some critics argue that pumping more cash into the economy could risk further inflation or balloon the federal deficit. They suggest more targeted programs, job training, affordable housing, education grants as longer-term solutions. And while those ideas have merit, the reality is this: people need help now. Inflation has already done its damage. Wages have struggled to keep up. Rents have soared. Utility bills have exploded. Food prices are outrageous. For millions, this isn't about the long term. It's about making it through the month. That's why this bill matters. That's why it's urgent. And economists are saying that the targeted nature of the stimulus, focusing on low and middle-income households, helps avoid the inflationary spike some fear. These aren't funds that will sit idle. These are dollars that will circulate, and fast. So here's what you need to do if you want to be ready. First, make sure your IRS records are up to date. If you moved, changed bank accounts, or haven't filed a recent return, now's the time to fix that. Having your information current ensures you're not stuck waiting for a paper check while others get their payments electronically. Second, if you're on Social Security, start preparing for that monthly boost. Think about how that extra $200 can support your daily needs, stretch your monthly budget, or provide a cushion you've never had before. And if you're not personally eligible but have family members or friends who are, share this information. Help them get ready. Help them avoid delays. Let them know that help is on the way. This is a major victory for economic justice. And while it won't solve every problem overnight, it is a giant step toward fairness, compassion, and practical support. Bernie Sanders and his team have fought hard for this moment, and it's proof that when people speak out, organize, and refuse to settle for crumbs, real change can happen. We've seen years of promises. Now we're seeing delivery, real money, real support, real hope. And it's not just talk anymore, it's law. As we wrap up, I want you to think about what this means for you, your family, your community. For the parents struggling to pay for childcare and food. For the seniors choosing between prescriptions and the power bill. For the disabled Americans who've been forgotten too many times in too many conversations. This is your moment. Relief is not just coming, it's arriving. And in a few short weeks, you could be holding a check or seeing a deposit that makes all the difference. That's the kind of update we live for on this channel. This is why we stay informed. This is why we vote. This is why we keep pushing for better. Because better is finally happening. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications, because as we get more information about how this stimulus will roll out, how to resolve any hiccups or delays, and what new bills might be following in its footsteps, I'll be breaking it all down for you right here, with facts, clarity, and a little dose of hope. We're not just reporting, we're empowering. Stay strong, stay informed, and most of all, stay ready. Your brighter financial future might just be a few days away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.